Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type c: and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command.
Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command.
Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter.
Now execute this command. cd space c:/. Now type this command. cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcdedit space /export space c: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter.
Now execute this command. Type cd space c: / and hit enter.
Now type attrib c: /boot /bcd -h -r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c: /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.